In this modern world of information, it is easy for us to assume that our greatest mental sufferings are a direct outcome of our inability to find solutions for big and complex problems which few among us are aware of. But on the contrary, our mental troubles are a direct outcome of small things that everyone is aware of but fails to act upon. Waking up early is one such thing. Everyone knows the benefits of waking up early because Sadhguru, Robin Sharma, and so many beautiful mystics and scientists have talked about it and proven the benefits of waking up early. But when you try to wake up early, the maximum you can do is manage it for 1 or 2 days and then you fall back into a routine. Today, on Lifestyle with Din, we will be discussing some practical tips to make it a consistent habit and turn all the information into an actual transformation. So keep watching Lifestyle with Din. Roll credits. So before we dive into some practically applicable tips to wake up earlier, I would just like to clear 2 points. First of all, waking up earlier doesn't mean waking up at a certain time, maybe 3 am, 4 am, 5 am. It's about waking up earlier than whatever you are doing right now so that you can experience the benefit of the extra time available to you, so that naturally you make that change and end up waking up at around about 5, 6, whatever suits you and your schedule, but it should be early enough to give yourself enough time. Secondly, I'm not here to convince you about the range of benefits of waking up earlier. For that, you can watch other videos. I might have made some videos on it in the past. So please scroll back, watch some videos, and once you're convinced, join me on this journey. So the first practical tip is to align your rhythm with the rhythm of life. I'm not talking about the circadian rhythm, which is very relevant, but I'm talking about your rhythm of being. And you can do that by some yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Just doing these activities will give a wholeness to your being and you will identify yourself as one with nature. Once you are in sync with nature, you will rise and fall in terms of energy with the energy of the world around you. So you will naturally align to the rhythm of wakefulness and sleepiness. The second advice is the most obvious. If you want to wake up early, you want to be sleeping properly. But I would say sleep consciously. Have a proper nightly ritual which leads you into a state of sleep. Sleeping early, focusing on the quality of sleep rather than the quantity of sleep is very significant. So do everything necessary to ensure qualitative sleep and always sleep consciously, and automatically you will start waking up earlier. So the third tip is relevant for you no matter who you are. You not only deserve but you need a digital decluttering. By that, I want to emphasize on the fact that you are zombies who are just dependent on the machines, and you have to somehow take back control of your own mindset. No matter how bad that sounds, it is the truth for you and for me as well. If we can make certain mindful practices and choices regarding our digital well-being on an everyday basis, then we will end up controlling these devices and using them as equipments and tools which they are supposed to be used at, rather than becoming victims to them and slaves to them. And your digital habits have a very major impact on your sleep habits. So please declutter yourself digitally and see yourself wake up early. The fourth practical tip is some food for thought. As the day grows, the size of your meal should come down. Always keep this in mind. Avoid having caffeinated, energy-based drinks or a heavy meal at the end of the day. Try taking your heavier meals during the start of the day, and always have balanced meals which are separated by around about 4-hour intervals throughout the day. If you can do this, you give yourself the best chance of sleeping consciously and then waking up early. So the fifth tip is allowing the sun to shine through. By this, I would want all of you to enjoy some sunshine early in the morning, as early as possible for you, and also in the evening times when the light is turning into darkness. It is said through science that doing these two things prepares you for better sleep and also for better wakefulness. So if you want to sleep early and wake up early and charged, please ensure that you are taking up enough sunlight first thing in the morning and at that time when light turns to dark. So this sixth tip will not only help you in waking up earlier but in mastering anything that you want in your life. You fail to convert amazing beneficial information into actual transformation only because a lack of self-discipline. So the only way to combat that is to train your self-discipline every day by picking up and doing a discomforting task every single day. It can be a physical task, it can be a mental task, an emotional task, or a spiritual task. Maybe just sitting without thinking for 5 minutes every day. That is discomforting enough. So if you do this regularly, you are training your self-discipline and then you start mastering everything that you set your mind on. And if you want to wake up early, you can do that at the snap of a finger. So the seventh tip is very simple and very effective. What you have to do is take a cold shower when you wake up, that means in the morning, and a warm shower before going to sleep. That will engage your body's muscles and your mind in the right way to prepare you for going forward in the day or relaxing and putting yourself to sleep in the evening. So once you do that, you automatically make yourself available to having the best sleep so that you can wake up with all of your energy as early as you want it to be. So guys, I have 6 more small yet significant tips left to make you wake up earlier. But before that, I would like all of you to like this video, maybe share which tip you liked best till now, and also share this video with a friend because they might need this advice. And once you're done with all that, please subscribe to the channel because I'm sure that you want this world to become a healthy and happy place. And now back to the 6 tips that were left. So guys, finally the 6 add-on tips. The first one being, please use naps efficiently. Use 10 to 20 minute naps throughout the day so that you are well placed in terms of resting yourself and also not needing a lot of sleep at night. If you use naps efficiently, you would always give yourself the best chance of waking up early. Second is the importance of fitness. Fitness is not only beneficial for your holistic physiological being but also your mental health. It also helps you sleep better, which results into you waking up earlier. The third is the benefits of massages. Try to take a massage every week or every fortnight that relaxes you, calms you down, which leads to better sleep, more qualitative sleep, and then you can wake up earlier. The fourth aspect is journaling. Please journal first thing in the morning and write down your thoughts before you go to sleep. This is a way of looking forward to the day and also emptying your mind so that you can sleep better and then wake up earlier. The fifth aspect is finding accountability with other people who are aligned with your mindset. So if you find accountability with people who are also trying to get up earlier, you work better as a team. So find such people and challenge each other to wake up earlier. And finally, loving what you do. If you find meaning in what you're doing, if you're passionate about whatever you're doing, you would want to put your creative best towards it, which only happens in the undisturbed hours of the morning. So please find meaning in life and pursue some passions because that will make you jump out of bed and want to do something in your life. Whether it is to make such videos in which you fumble on words like bed or bad, but that doesn't matter because you're passionate about it and you can leave this content unedited. So make sure that you have some meaning in your life to look forward towards the day. With that being said, I hope you have the best day ever. I hope you enjoyed this video, and namaste.